To learn about Supabase, how to connect your Next.js application into the Supabase database. Okay, so first of all, you have to sign up to the Supabase, and then you have to create a new project. Okay, so tap on this new project, choose your organization, and then just wait a second. Okay, so now we can create a project. So Next.js, Pokemon. It's tutorial. Okay, and then type your password as sure. Then South Asia Mumbai, create new project. Okay, um nice. Okay, so just save this, and then you have to create to the project settings, then tap on this data API. Okay, so just tap here. uh, Project is currently not active. Okay, so I will do this later. Okay, first of all, come to your file directory. Okay, so now make a new route. Okay, so let's name this Pokemon. So, and then paste.tsx into this, and then just rfc Pokemon. So nice. Okay, so let's start our project first. Npm run dev. Okay. So now our project is started. Just tap on this connections string and then app frameworks. You have to just copy this. Okay, this keys. Just copy this and make a new file into a root directory, which is .env, and just paste those secret keys. Okay, nice. Huh. So uh, okay, so now um, uh, we have to create a new file into a lib folder. So just type Supabase, and then client.ts. Okay, so now wait a second, import create client, this supabase.js. Oh yeah, and then you have to first install this. Okay, so npm I at the supabase/supabase.js. Okay, you have to install first this. Okay, here this command. Okay, you have to install first this, then you can import the. Yep, so now hope you have installed Supabase. Then just get your Supabase URL, which is a type of string. We are using TypeScript, so we have to do this. Okay, then process dot env dot env, just copy this thing and then paste it here. Okay, um so paste it here, and then it's not happening. Okay, so now and then nice, then do this. Okay, so and here I'm noticing super super base. Okay, that's correct. And then you have to import Supabase key, then which is a type of string, then process dot env, and then just copy that Supabase nn key, and then just paste it here. Okay, now export const Supabase equals to create create client, and then first Supabase URL, then Supabase key. Okay, so now everything is right. Then come to your page.tsx. Okay, and then so let's create a use state structure. Okay, so const data, and then set data equals to use state, and then this is a array. Okay, so we will get an array, that's why I'm doing like this. Okay, then use effect. Okay, so now we have a function calls to fetch data, which is a type which is async function, then parenthesis. Okay, so now we have a const data, and then we have an error equals to sorry, await Supabase. Okay, nice. Supabase dot from यहाँ पे आपका आएगा table name. Okay, so table underscore name, and then select asterisk, so all. Okay, so this means select all. Okay, so our table name was what was our table name? Let's check. So tables. Okay, so we don't have created a table. Okay, so let's create a table. Okay, Pokemons, and then we have Pokemon underscore say name, and then we have this type of text. Then Pokemon image. Okay, which is also a type of text. Okay, so this just save this file. Okay, so now we have our table name, which is Pokemons. Okay, nice. So if we get an error, okay, if we get an error, so console.log that error message which is this error. Second error. Error. Okay, and if there are no errors, just set data of data. Okay, so set data to this data. Okay, now return function को हटा के just type fetch data and just call this delete file. Okay, so now it is looks good, and then okay, so we are having some type safety errors. This one and this use effect. Use cannot find use effect. Second, cannot find use effect. Okay, so now we are not having any errors. Let's do this to use client. Okay, so use effect and जो use state है ना वो like चल नहीं पाएगा without using use client, because this is a client component and not a server component. Okay, so that's why we have to use this add this use client. Okay, um nice. Then we have to create an interface Pokemon props. That's in this. So then we have our ID, which is a type of a number. Then we have our Pokemon underscore name, which is a type of string, and sorry, and we have Pokemon. Okay, image, then which is a type of also string. Okay, so just do this like this, and then इसको हम use state देते हैं. So Pokemon props, and then which is an array, data as Pokemon prop. Okay, so we should now get okay, so we are not getting any errors. Now let's map this array. Okay, so just come over here, and then what's the name, data dot map, and then this. Okay, so now what to name and your Pokemon. So in Pokemon this sorry. Okay, so now I'll open another div. Let's give this div a key, which is Pokemon dot id, and then we have an image. Okay, so yeah, image, import this from next slash image. Then we have source. Okay, so which is Pokemon dot in image Pokemon underscore image. Then we have an alt. Okay, so alt आप डाल सकते हो Pokemon dot name. Okay, sorry, name. Okay. Then we have width, which is 100, height, which is also 100, then unoptimized इससे आपकी picture quality नहीं गिरेगी. Okay. um, uh, then we have a paragraph. Okay, so paragraph में आएगा um, indie Pokemon. Okay, so nice. We should now see all the Pokemon images and their names in our browser. Okay, so let's localhost 3000. Okay, so let's go to the Pokemon's routes. Okay, hope there are no errors. Okay, we are not getting our data. Let's me check this. Okay, I think I know what the problem is. Okay, we haven't inserted any data. Okay, sorry. um mm, just insert some data into the now what okay so we in the table editor. Okay, now let's insert some data over here. Let's say uh so, uh, okay, so come over to this website pokemon.com. Okay, and then we'll copy the data from here. Okay, so let's Charizard, and then just copy this image address, then paste this over here. Okay, so let's check some next Pokemons like Squirtle. Okay, so just insert the row and then type this Squirtle and then copy the image address, paste this over here. Okay, so now we have our data. Okay, now the website should work. Okay, we should see our data over now. um, okay, I know. I think RLC is enabled. Okay, so just disable this RLS. Okay, so through this you can fetch your data from any website, or anyone can fetch this data. Okay, so disable this RLS for now. Okay, so now we should see our data. Okay, so here we go. We fetched our data successfully from the Supabase. Okay, so in this video, so this is for the video. Okay, in the next video we will learn how to insert the data into the Supabase database, and we will fetch the our data. Okay, so till then, bye bye.